Some lawmakers on Capitol Hill still fuming over the series of mistakes in the healthcare.gov rollout.
And they are making sure their voices are heard. Washington Bureau Chief Jacqueline Policastro talked with Senator Rob Portman about the site he's calling a big mistake.
Republican Senator Rob Portman has been speaking out against Obamacare. Senator, you questioned Kathleen Sebelius. Did you get the answers you wanted?
No. I asked her, among other things, how many folks in Ohio have lost their insurance coverage because of Obamacare, and she said, I don't know. Go ask the insurance companies, and in other states they do have that information. In Ohio they haven't compiled it. She didn't seem much interested in that information.
Well, Senator, you've said that the system itself is the problem, not the website, but Obamacare is the law.
It is the law, and that's why we need to have some accountability in it to ensure that as people have problems, they know where to go to get them resolved. And frankly, a lot of people were promised that they could keep the insurance that they had. A lot of folks, they say 12 million people nationally are finding out that's not true now, that it'll increase costs in the individual market in places like Ohio. So it won't be a cost decrease of $2,500, it'll be a cost increase of about $2,100. It looks like 30 million Americans will still not get insurance coverage after 10 years of this law being in place. And the idea, I thought, with all the new taxes and spending, $1 trillion in new spending, $19 billion in new taxes, and all the new mandates and regulations, and all this hassle, frankly, for a lot of people, that you'd have people covered, and still there'll be more than half of the uninsured will not be covered.
All right, Senator Rob Portman, thank you. This is an issue, of course, we'll continue to follow. Reporting in Washington, Jacqueline Policastro, 13 ABC, Action News.
Now, 16 Senate Democrats up for re-election met with the president yesterday to warn him of what's being called a crisis of confidence if he doesn't do something very soon to fix the website problems. But Senator Sherrod Brown wasn't one of them. He's still in full support of the law, telling us today in a statement the health law has already benefited millions of Ohioans by ending lifetime limits on coverage and ending discrimination based on pre-existing conditions. It goes on to say, but in order for millions more to have quality, affordable health care, opponents need to stop trying to derail the health law.
And today, the U.S. Health and Human Services Department announced that Ohio will get more than $6 million to expand access to health care. Those funds are made available by the Affordable Care Act. That money will be used to support 11 health care center sites in the state. The health centers can also help residents enroll in insurance programs through the new health insurance marketplace.
Still to come here on Action.